Welcome to our channel, where we help you master the latest features and updates on popular apps like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple yet essential process: how to change your WhatsApp group photo from your gallery. This feature allows you to personalize your group chats, making them more visually appealing and reflective of the group's theme or purpose. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. This will take you straight to your chat list, where you can see all your conversations, including groups. Locate the group for which you want to change the photo and tap on it to open the chat screen. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This action will take you to the group info page, where you can manage various settings, including the group photo. On the group info page, you'll see the current group photo displayed prominently. Tap on this photo to access the options for changing it. You'll notice an edit icon or a menu that allows you to modify the photo. Tap on this edit icon to proceed. Now you'll be presented with several options for selecting a new photo. Choose the gallery option to select a photo from your device's gallery. Browse through your photos and pick the one that best represents your group. You can choose anything from a funny meme to a meaningful moment captured together. After selecting your photo, you'll have the option to adjust it. You can zoom in or out, rotate, or crop the image to fit the circular frame perfectly. This step ensures that your chosen photo looks great as the group icon. Once you're satisfied with how your photo looks, tap on Done to save the changes. WhatsApp will automatically update the group photo, and all members will be notified about the change. By following these simple steps, you can give your WhatsApp group a fresh new look that reflects its personality or theme. Whether you're looking to add some humor or make your group more recognizable in your chat list, changing the group photo is a great way to do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps effectively. Thanks for watching.